I'm Nigel, and I'm not wearing my hat. Today, we've got some studs and bolts to repair, and we've got some nose cone brackets that we need to fix up. If we're lucky, we can get the nose cone bolted back on and maybe do a little bit of work on the trim on the interior. Let's see how we go. The first job of the day was to remove the hardest to access broken bolt. This involved a bit of Dremel work to cut a small guide hole for getting the drill centrally into the bolt body. Then, we carefully drilled out the body of the bolt, trying our best to keep the drill in the middle so we didn't hurt the whole thread any more than was absolutely necessary. Next, we picked out as much of the bolt that was caught in the threads as we could. And finally, ran the tap carefully in to rethread the hole.
Freaking work of art.
The next job was repairing the nose cone. We needed to fix the broken stud on the upper nose cone and remake the brackets for the lower nose cone mounts, which had previously been cut off. The upper bracket screws almost all refused to come out. We were able to remove a few nicely.
Gotcha! This is not looking real bad.
But we had no choice but to drill most of them out.
So that's the bit that's good, and
That's the bit that's not. We drilled out the broken stud.
oh, it's looking bad. Close. Pretty close.
Tapped a thread through the bracket and modified the bolt, which needed a little more internal clearance than we had first thought.
I think we could gut that sooner.
The brackets went back into the nose section and we secured it all with nice new non-rusty screws. That all worked out pretty well. Next on the list was the brackets to fix the ones we had cut off last time. After a bit of measuring, we found some metal panels that would work perfectly for the brackets. In fact, I had used these exact pieces for a lot of the Susie Bug panels. There was cutting, bending, drilling, and grinding. But soon it was good as new. Today, pumpkin and walnut with a cheeky hint of spice. There is no cake like workshop cake. Thanks again, Lynn. What would we do without you? With the nose cone repairs complete, it was time for the big moment, fitting it all back on the car. New bottom brackets worked properly, and happily all the holes lined up perfectly. We fitted the new stays that we'd made up previously, and used new plastic panel plugs where we could.
They probably won't go in until you get the screws in the right position, which you look up this way.
It's looking good. Nose cone is repaired and refitted. Got to say, it's really nice finally being able to put stuff back on the car as opposed to take stuff off it.